Okay, so for the next challenge, okay, so this is a normal signing form. So uh, let's see its source codes. Okay, so it has a file called index.php. Let's try to go there. Okay, so it's the same page and it loads nothing. Okay, so let's do some reconnaissance by going to the robots.txt file. So it's not allowing us to browse admin.phps. The S stands for the source code. So let's try to visit the index.phps. So here we can see the PHP script, and there are two more PHP files, the authentication.php and the cookie.php. So let's duplicate them. Let's go there. So one would be cookie.phps and the other would be authentication. Okay, so in the cookie we can see that there is this if condition here, and it's trying to unserialize something. So it's a kind of a decoding here, and then base64.decode. So whatever we are sending here is being decoded back from base64 and then being unserialized. And if there's any error, then we can print the parameter here. Okay, so let's go to authentication. So here this is a class of access log, and there's a public log file, and there are methods here to string, and it's reading this file, so read log, and the read log function is just returning this log file. Okay, so what we can do now is that we can try to manipulate the cookie and send it to this access log class. So what we can do is for serialization, the PHP code is something like, first we have to initiate the object type, and then followed by its length. So here the length of the object is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can write 10 here, and then followed by the name of the object. Now we are returning only one instance because we just want the flag file, flag object. So what we're going to do is we're going to initiate another string parameter here. Yeah, and then the length of this would be the log file. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there goes 8 here, and then followed by the name. So the name is log file, and then we want it to be replaced by the string, which is our flag location. So it would be 7 because the location is something like dot dot dash flag, because if we come here and click on the hint, the flag is at dot dot slash flag. So that's where we'll find the flag. So I want this to be replaced by this. And we want this whole thing to be, there'll be a semicolon here. We want this whole thing to be replaced by decoded base64. So this would give us this, if I check this correctly. Yeah, it should be okay. Yeah, So let's just copy this. Now for this, we would need a Chrome extension. We would need the cookie editor. Okay, so now here we're going to add, and this is going to be, okay, so this is not gonna be in the sign-in because remember we were checking the authentication.phps, so we have to be on that page for it to work. So we need to go to the authentication.php, and here we're gonna use our cookie, or the decoded version of it. So we're gonna say login and then paste the value and save it. And if we just reload, then here we have our flag. So if we copy this and paste it here, I've solved this challenge correctly again.